Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Erica Hughes, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Check out some of my older videos. I have loads of videos there on the bloom technique, Dutch pour, do a few straight pours and all that good stuff. So check them out and let me know what you think. Alright, so on that note, we are doing a Dutch pour on a 24 by 12 inch canvas, and I have accidentally mixed up Zinc white by Amsterdam, so I just went with it, and the difference is this is transparent white, the titanium white is opaque, so we're just going to go with it. And then I have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. And I just got a golden fluid acrylics cobalt turquoise. It's the first time I'm using this. And there's the shade there. And that's mixed with Floetrol. And believe it or not, I had to put a little bit of water in it to thin it down a little bit. And then I have Van Dyke Brown by Amsterdam. So all those colors that I just mentioned are mixed with the USA Floetrol, Flood Floetrol, and water. I do have a mixing video. It's linked in the description box underneath this video, and it'll show you how I mix for the Dutch pour and my straight pours that I do. It will also show you how I mix my This Little Piggy pigments. And today we'll be using Ore by This Little Piggy, Mermaid by This Little Piggy. Actually, I got these new mixing paddles, and you can probably see the color really nice because they're actually black paddles. And I'll link below where I got those at the Fluid Art Company, or fluidart.com. So that's Mermaid, and then this is Sea Glass. And I mix those with really quick, you can check the mixing video for more detailed, but that's mixed with a golden gel gloss, water mixed, and a small bit of the USA Flood Floetrol. Again, check out my mixing video. It's very detailed. It's about like an hour long. There is a Dutch pour in it, but it's probably about 45 minutes of mixing. And I don't do ratios or anything like that. I just show you how I mix. It's not like a paint by numbers thing. I just mix based off my paint and the flow and all that good stuff. So please check it out if you would like to mix like I do. Okay, so let's just jump in. So we're going to get some of our zinc white. And I don't know if you could see that, but as well in the mixing video, I give you really close-up shots of the consistency that I use, that I mix to. So for now, we're just going to flood this canvas. And I'm going to get my travel hairdryer and blow that around. This is Baby Bliss is the brand. It's the cheapest one I could find with the air diffuser attachment, and it's travel size. It has a low setting, an off setting, and a high setting. That's it. And it's warm air. I think it was like $14.99. Okay, so let me just spread this around. Some air bubbles with my torch and get it on. Okay, I got something going on in here. And there. And there. What's going on? Okay, now I'm going to go straight down the middle with the colors, and we're just going to kind of blow it out. A few more air bubbles in there. So let's move this off to the side. These guys. Okay, so I'm going to go for the greenish blue down first. And then I'm going to go for, what am I going to go for? Okay, so we're going to try and kind of mix some tube paints and some flow acrylics, kind of sandwich the pigments in between so you can get some cool cells. So we'll go for mermaid neck, yeah. Okay, so this is mermaid. Okay, so let's put that one up there. Then we'll go for some I'm wondering if I should flood this to get a nice soft. Let's go for some sea glass. I'm debating on whether or not I'm going to flood over some white, but I'm like, on that because I'm not sure about the zinc white, but who knows. Let's see. We're going to go for some, I think I'm going to actually. Okay, we're going to do the fluid acrylics. And a small bit of Van Dyke Brown. It's been so long since I've used this. Just a little. And then some gold. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Let's pop some air bubbles. Okay, I'm not going to flood it, but I am just going to put just a little bit more because I spread that really far, really thin. So I'm just going to put a little bit more down just so the paint has a little bit more to flow with. Okay, and why not? You can see how transparent this is actually. Now I'm going to start in the middle and see what happens. Wow, right here. Amazing. That is stunning. Okay, let it develop. Takes a little, or a few minutes kind of to develop and settle. The zinc white, I'm not sure. I did use a lot of pigments, so there's going to be lots of transparency, but I can kind of see that the zinc white is taking on some of the other colors, like it's mixing more. You're kind of getting like a translucent, like a fade of color instead of like solid white, which is kind of cool, I guess. Unless that's just the way my Dutch pour went, but I'll bring you in for a close-up and you can tell. I'll show you this section here. It's very, not pastel-y, but just very transparent. And you can see the colors underneath, which is actually kind of neat. This is stunning. This is by far my favorite part right here. I'm not going to touch it. I don't think. I do have some going over the edge there, and I'm wondering if I should straight away scrape that so it kind of slows down and stops. It shouldn't move too much because I don't have that. I had a really thin base down, but I'm wondering if I should blow a little bit of this over, but we'll see. We'll just kind of let it do its thing because it will move as it develops. I love it. I'm so happy with it. I wanted a really soft kind of pour today because I've been doing some really dark ones, which, by the way, let me show you. This is one, I haven't put the video up yet, and I don't know. I have the video there. If you guys want to see it, let me know. This is all dry. I don't know how I feel about it. I definitely did not really like it when I poured it, but the next day, yeah, when it dried really quick. The next day, I liked it better when it was dry. So let me know if you guys want to see that one. This is my smoky one. I believe I showed the dried result at the end of the video. I'm not sure, but for those who missed it, this is my all-time favorite Dutch pour. It's not varnished or anything. You can check back my last video, I think. My last video upload is of that one. And it's titled Smoky Chaos Dutch Pour. This is stunning. I absolutely love this. I'm going to start scraping the drips. I don't want it to move that much. And I'll bring you guys down and I'll show you what I mean about that transparent kind of effect that's going on over here with that, I believe, with the zinc white. Just scraping the drips, because if you don't scrape the drips, it's just going to pull all your like your composition, your colors. It's going to stretch them out, and it's just not going to be fun. So you want to make sure there's no drips. I'm getting this weird, I don't know how I feel about that canvas. But it is stunning. I'm not going to torch it or anything, or I do see a few air bubbles here. Yeah, you can see the zinc white has caused this like kind of cloudy effect. Not cloudy like the cloud pour or anything like that, but like this like cloudy, milky kind of thing going on. As I said, I wasn't going to torch, but let's just give it a torch. Okay, I'll bring you guys down for a close-up, and you can check it out and let me know what you think. Stunning. Okay, so here's how it looks from my point of view. And I'm definitely going to hit the flash on here in a minute, but I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like with the lights on. Okay, so you can kind of see, where's that spot? Right up here. It's like translucent, like transparent, like milky looking kind of. You can see the colors coming through, like stained glass kind of. I don't know. I love this. I think this is gorgeous. I'm happy with it. I'm keeping it. I'm not going to scrape it. I'm not going to touch it. I'll show you my favorite section is right here. And you can see more of that kind of milky, cloudy, like So if that was the titanium white, that would just be like solid white, and you'd probably torch that area a little bit to pull up some of the color. But with that zinc white, since it's transparent, you can see through it a little bit. So let me know what you guys think. I will bring you in for that would probably be cool to do a straight pour with that zinc white. Anyway, I'll bring you guys in, or I'll turn the flash on, and then we'll do our little outro. Okay, so I have my overhead light off and my flash on. So of course you can see the extreme shimmer. And you can even see it through, let's go to that one cloudy area. You can even see it through there, through that zinc white. Let's go here. Oh yeah, there's some lacing, very fine lacing. It's a gorgeous color combo. I think, let's go up to my favorite section. That gold really packs a punch. Here we go. Oh, let's check out that other cloudy kind of section. See that sea glass? Really pretty. I'm super excited. I love this pour. And the end. There is stunning. I love that. All right, guys, let me know what you think. I don't do these kind of Dutch pours often, so let me know what you think if you'd like to see more. I think I'm going to mix up for, I don't know, I have a good bit of leftover paint there, so maybe I'll do a straight pour with that zinc white. Right, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscription button and turn on the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. And leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.